Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can save a Photopea project. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, this device, Pia Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and so on. And right here, as you can see, guys, in the center of your screen, you're going to find new project, open from computer, templates, and lastly, install Photopea. So right now, I'm going to click on new project. Then once you do that, you're going to be right here in this window. So once you're here, you can choose a name for your project. Here you can choose the width of your image, the height, DPI. You can choose also the background color right here. Here, you can choose a size for your image from social, print, photo, screen, mobile, and so on. So I'm going to click on screen, then choose, for example, the size, and then I'm going to click on create. And then once you create your image, you're going to be right here. So right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your image. So right now, for example, I'm going to add an image by clicking on File. Then I'm going to click on Open. And then I'm going to go to Pictures, Save Pictures, and then choose a picture from here. So I'm going to choose this one, for example. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the tools. You can add the text that you want. For example, I'm going to click on Typing Tool, click somewhere, and then, for example, I'm going to type tutorial. You could choose the size for your text. So for example, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, select it, and then as you can see guys, right here. So once you finish customizing your image, you can save it by clicking on File. And then right here, you can save it as PSD. You can save it or export it as a PNG, JPG, and right here, you're going to find basically all of the formats. So I'm going to save it from here, click on Save Changes, and right now, all of your changes will be saved. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.